Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates from the cryptocurrency world. In today's video, we have some exciting news from BlockDAG, Kaspa, and Cardano ADA, BlockDAG's game-changing partnership. BlockDAG is about to announce a groundbreaking partnership with 3 top European soccer teams. This news has sparked a wave of excitement and speculation across the crypto community. Following its collaboration with UFC icon Alex Pereira and an incredible 1,600% increase in its coin price, BlockDAG is ready to make another big move. The community is buzzing with predictions that this new partnership could skyrocket BlockDAG's price from $0.017 to $1 per coin. The identities of these soccer teams are still under wraps, but the anticipation is palpable. This collaboration promises to merge the thrilling worlds of soccer and digital currency in a way never seen before. BlockDAG has already raised $64.2 million since its pre-sale launch, boosting the value of DAG from $0.001 to $0.017. Early investors are enjoying a whopping 1,600% return on investment, and the talk of DAG reaching $1 is gaining momentum. This is more than just hype, it's a call to action for investors to join in as the 21st batch is rapidly being claimed. Building on its partnership with UFC Champion Alex Pereira, BlockDAG is set to redefine the standards in both the sports and crypto worlds. Pereira, known for his relentless determination and success, embodies BlockDAG's values of innovation, resilience, and excellence. Kaspa's market momentum. In contrast to BlockDAG's excitement, Kaspa is making waves with its own price rally. The market is optimistic, with Kaspa aiming for a 25% surge to reach $0.5. Despite a generally bearish market sentiment, Kaspa has continued its upward trajectory, with a significant 70% increase in trading volume and breakthroughs at crucial resistance levels. Having peaked at $0.2, Kaspa shows further growth potential. The daily RSI indicates an overbought condition, suggesting a possible correction. However, Fibonacci retracement levels point to a potential 25% increase, urging investors to remain cautious while keeping an eye on potential gains. Cardano's challenges. ADA's price has fallen to $0.401 per dollar, a decrease of 0.56%, alongside a similar decline in market capitalization. Technical indicators show strong selling pressure, with ADA positioned below both the 50-day and 200-day EMAs. Without a shift in market sentiment, ADA may slide further to $0.3, the next big crypto trend. As BlockDAG prepares to announce its landmark soccer team partnerships, excitement is reaching new heights. This strategic move, combined with Kaspa's price surge and Cardano's ongoing struggles, marks a pivotal moment in the cryptocurrency landscape. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all the latest in crypto news.